Hello, welcome there. I am Luca from Cloud Clusters. It is a Kubernetes cloud platform that hosts open source applications for you. In this video, I would like to show you how to make the best use of a control panel in a few clicks. Once you signed up from product website, you will be directed to the ordering page. Choose an application to deploy. Click Manage to go to the application management interface. Overview page gives you a general idea of the product. Go to the site and Ssl Page to apply your domain to your application. First, input your domain name. Choose whether you'd like to use our name servers or not. In the Settings menu, you can also manage DNS, configure URL redirect, or delete the URL. Click the URL and input the provided username and password on the login page. To start working with your Odoo, you need to visit the admin panel of the application. Install the business apps you need, CRM, accounting, inventory and so on. The Manage Database option also can be found on the login page. The initial master password is displayed in the control panel, Site and Ssl. Manage the application files and folders via File Manager. Shell allows you to manage your application through shell commands. Transfer your data between your local machine and the cloud instance. CPU, memory and traffic all can be monitored. A file system level backup. Events lists all the activities. About invoices or change payment method, please click Billing tab. 3 payment methods are acceptable: credit card, PayPal, or credits. Please feel free to contact us for any questions. Thanks for watching. Why not give it a try now? And let us know what you think.